Alrighty, hey everyone, it's Kinston over here at Massey Toyota. And today, let's check out the 2020 Toyota Camry Hybrid LE. This one is going to be the super wide exterior, does have the graphite cloth interior as well. But coming to our window sticker, not many options on this one, just gonna be the phone charger for a total of $29,458 and gas mileage 51 city, 53 out on the highway, 52 combined. Absolutely amazing for a mid-size sedan. Coming down here to your wheels, you are riding on Firestone tires. And these are gonna be your 16-inch steel wheels with hubcaps. Then coming around back, you have that hybrid badging as well as rear backup camera. Then of course you do have your smart key access, so just go ahead and keep the key fob on you. Hand behind the door handle to unlock. Coming in, only 4 miles on this one, so foot on the brake, power button to start. All right, and we're ready to go. Let's check out underneath the hood. Okay, and coming underneath that hood, we do have the 2.5 liter dual overhead cam i4 with D4S direct and port fuel injection, all connected to Toyota's hybrid Synergy Drive power plant, producing a net horsepower of 208, all going to the front wheels through an eCVT continuously variable transmission. Now you also do have 2 other power options. You've got the 2.5 i4 without hybrid Synergy Drive, and then you do have the 3.5 liter V6, which is a lot of power. Well, let's go ahead and check out that interior. Now stepping back in, checking out that cloth interior, please excuse any wind noise. You do have all your power adjustments as well as power lumbar down there. And then in your door panel, you do have the padded armrest, power windows, locks, and mirrors with storage down below. All of your functions over here for your trunk pop, fuel pop, automatic high beams, some storage. And then you do have your tilt and telescoping 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel with your D-pad over here for your center LCD right over there. Bluetooth and voice commands as well as your audio controls. Cruise over here with your radar and your lane keep. Over on the left, automatic LED headlights, tap to 3 blinks blinkers as well. Over on the right, variable intermittent speed wipers. As you can see, your gauges, your tach is replaced with an eco monitor. And then you also do have your eco monitor up here that you can control. Speaking of your audio system, we'll go ahead and check out the sources on that one. So it's got AM, FM, XM, USB, and Bluetooth streaming audio, all the major ones that you'll need. And then going to your menu, you'll also have your projection for your Apple CarPlay. Below that, dual zone auto climate with your driver and front passenger temperatures that you can sync, with your fan speed as well as zones, passenger lockout, so it does direct more air to the driver. Then you do have your USB 12 volt, a little bit of storage above the shifter. Speaking of that shifter, it's going to control that CVT with the sport mode and manual shifting. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera. Your drive mode selector as well as your EV mode, brake hold feature at stoplights, and then you do have your power parking brake. Padded armrest with some charging USBs down there. Stitching accents on the dash do look really nice with your damped glove box also. Up top, you do have room for sunglasses as well as your LED map lights, as well as your SOS Safety Connect and a manually dimming rearview mirror, vanity mirror on your visor, and you do have a little extension portion also. So lots of neat touches up here in the LE. So let's go ahead and check out the rear seat. Now coming back here, as you can see, that cloth does follow through back here with those light inserts. Door pan materials follow through with your power window and storage also. Front seat set from a 5'9" frame, plenty of room, plenty of footroom also. You do have storage, a map pocket, and then over on my right, nice padded armrest. Up top, you do have your cornering handles, plenty of headroom, and a nice dome light. Nice view of the dash right there. And we'll go ahead and check out the cargo area and we'll wrap up our video. And coming back here, just pop your trunk via the button over here. As you can see, a nice trunk liner up top with your emergency release, covered hinges that do look nice, 60/40 folding rear seat, and as you can see, those batteries don't take up any of your storage space, which is nice because they are underneath the rear seat. In previous hybrid sedan, it did take up a little trunk space. And then underneath your cargo floor, you do have your temporary spare tire and jack still, which is nice also. But that'll wrap it up for the cargo area and this video of the 2020 Camry LE Hybrid. If you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a like. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.